Let's create a bolt. Go to the new select part. Okay. Now select the top line and create a sketch. Select the hexagon. Give the dimension 20. Make it vertical and exit from the sketch. Now extrude the sketch 10 mm. Okay. Sketch. Now draw the circle. Make these two tangent. Exit from the sketch. Now extrude cut. Click the side to cut and taper 30 degree and give it. Now select the back plane, sketch, draw the circle of radius 5, exit. Now extrude to 50 mm. Now we have to cut the thread. Go to thread, select the bottom plane. Now select the offset 1 mm reverse direction. We are changing the pitch to 1 mm. Cut thread and you so you can see the thread cut here. So you can change the material. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.